You say? Oh no. Oh. I wanted 40 today. If you see her, please remind her that she's 40 years old.
Eyes.
Oh, love
you
Brad.
can just about see out of them. Short grey hair. Height 125 builder pencils tall.
Wait, never ask a lady. Identify wrinkles.
Characteristic wrinkles. I love that picture.
I'm so glad.
Do you know what? She'll be happy with that picture. Yeah. Me so. Look a little bit strange. Look a little bit strange.
Oh, you're putting them here?
Yeah. Oh, just imagine let people see her, man. Isn't it? Just brand her house up. Come on, just brand the whole house up.
And then are we going to get her out?
Yeah, she's got to see. Ray! Ray! Come out here.
We got a surprise for your birthday.
You know you wanted a party and you wanted everyone to wish you happy 40th. Well, basically,
we've got the invites.
It's sort of like invitations, some would say.
Keep going, keep going. So on the other
all the way round.
She's not coming out.
You
We've got to leave them up all day.
It's nice though.
I think this is the first time she's obviously been actually 40. And we're correcting her age.
Because we've said that she was 40 for the last 4 years. Just to have winds up and shits and giggles. Come here.
Come here.
Ray.
Right, Ray, you know you couldn't go on holiday. We've sorted you out with invitations. Oh no, don't read it.
I'm going to leave the rest round the school, Red. I'm going to take them on to the school.
Do you remember that?
Remember that picture?
Yeah, I like him.
It says wait, never ask a lady. Should we ask or not?
No.
Wrinkle. Characteristic wrinkle. Sam wrote this.
I didn't write this.
Yeah, I'm
Look,
not sure about that.
What
Grey
does it?
hair.
What does it say here, Ree?
Love bread.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, but I didn't read. I know it says
I
bread,
didn't
but you know
write it.
I ain't got the ability to put that together. Who's got the ability to put that shit together?
Little
Not
Sam.
me.
Little
you.
Sam. Little
you,
Sam.
Bruv.
Little Sam done it.
Man, I couldn't do that. I wouldn't know how to spell her name right.
All my details there, haven't you?
What, the fact that you're 40?
Yeah, like,
To be fair,
Well, you are a female, babe. Let's be honest with you.
Yeah, I think that's a bit obvious.
characteristics, wrinkles, all you could come up with.
No, I didn't write this.
I
That's
didn't
the
write
nicest
this.
part about me.
I didn't write this.
I didn't write this. You can't.
It was Brad gave me the content. I made it into the thing.
Don't.
Well, at least you remember it's my birthday, no matter what shape it is, isn't it?
Are you happy?
I am. But I like that idea.
You're
Where are
wanted.
you putting them everywhere?
Yeah.
God, you won't feel that there. That's still baby there.
I was going to take them to school and hand them out in the playground in a minute when I get the
No,
kids.
you're not.
I was going to take
Oh,
them
no,
to
you're
school.
not.
Oh yes, he is.
No.
Oh yes, he is.
Oh, no, you're not.
Hey, these are staying up.
Yeah, they got to. They got to.
They
I
stay
have
up.
been in that picture, but you know.
Why, that's a good picture of me.
That's a good picture in general.
Sporticus. Do you remember that we done that? Was it Sporticus he looks like?
Oh, I think that's brilliant.
Happy birthday, Ree.
Thank you, darling.
See you later.
Wanted.
I'm going before I get hit.